Hi friends, first the periodic table here. S block elements are there. Here alkali metals, alkaline metals. Here P block elements are present, and here D block elements are present, and here F block elements are present. In D block, the first series is Sk, T, V, Kr, Man, Fe, Ko, Ni, Ku, and Z. That means scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, and zinc. This is very much important series in D block element. Your problems in coordination chemistry is depend on this series. Okay, so first you learn the first series of D block elements. Okay, what is the electronic configuration here? 3D1 4s2, 3D2, that means here C scandium, 3D1 4s2, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, and zinc. 3D1 4s2, 3D2 4s2, 3D3 4s2, 3D4 4s2, Mn, that means manganese, 3D5 4s2, 3D6 4s2, 3D7 4s2, 3D8 4s2, 3D9 4s2, 3D10 4s2. Okay, the atomic number of scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, and zinc. See here, in the last configuration is here. Okay, so in exam, the question is asked in overall theory. So how question is asked in exam? Okay, see here, first question. We directly go through the questions, not the theory. Determine, what is the question? Determine the ground state term for following ions. Okay. First ion is Fe3 plus. Fe means what? Iron. What is the atomic number of Fe? You know the series Sk, T, V, Kr, Man, Fe, Ko, Ni, Ku, Z. That means scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, and zinc. Okay, Fe means iron. 3D1 4s2, 3D2 4s2. That means this is D1 system, D2, D3, D4, D5. In scandium, 3D1 4s2, 3D2 4s2, 3D3 4s2, 3D4 3D5. What is here? D5 system is there. That means what is the electronic configuration? What is the atomic number of Fe? 26. Okay, so here how you write the answer of this question? Fe, what is the here atomic number? 26. You have to write here 26. Then 3D6 4s2. Okay, why we write here 3D6 4s2? See here, scandium 3D1 4s2, titanium 3D2 4s2, vanadium 3D3 4s2, chromium 3D4 4s2, Mn 3D5 4s2, not a 5, 1 2 3 4 5, here 3D6 4s2, 3d7 4s2, 3d8 4s2, copper 3d9 4s2, and zinc 3d10 4s2. Okay, atomic number of iron is 26. See here, 3d6 4s2, but in question what is here iron? Fe3 plus, that means it carries here plus 3, so you have to less 3 electrons from that atomic number of that Fe. Okay, so here write Fe3 plus, how many electrons get less? 3, because here positive plus 3 charge is there. So 2 electrons get from that s orbital and 1 is from d orbital, that means 3d5. Okay, 3d5 is the system, that means d5 system is present. Okay, then you have to, d means what? How many orbitals are present? 5. Okay, you have to write the d orbital, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so when you write here the d orbital, at that time here how many electrons are present? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so here 5 electrons are present. You have to given the values in L, that means at the center you have to write here 0, -1, -2, +1, +2. Okay, this is the values of L. Okay, now we find the values of L and S. Okay, L means what? What is the values of L? L means total angular momentum. Total angular momentum. How you find out the values of L? That means summation of small li. Okay, see here. So when you add these values of L, +2, +1, 3, -1, -2, -3. That means when you add +3 to -3, at that time you get the value is 0. Okay, see here, +2, +1. This is the values of L. Okay, these all are the values of L. Okay, in previous lecture we see here how you write L, -L to +L. That means plus L to -L. Okay, same here. Okay, how you find out the values of L? Here +2, +1, that means 3. Here -1, -2, that means 3. You get here 0. Okay, S means what? Spin angular momentum. Spin angular momentum. How you find out the values of S? Summation of SI. Okay, see here that spin, all spin are inward. Okay, singly filled, so here half plus half plus half plus half plus half. One spin is equal to half. Okay, how many spin are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write the half in 5 times. What is the values here? 5 by 2. Okay, you just find first twice s plus 1. You have to find out the values of twice s plus 1. Okay, 2. What is the values of s here? 5 by 2 plus 1. Here 2 get cancelled and the value is 6. What is the formula for to find out the ground state term? I just write the formula by using formula twice s plus 1 x j minus s. Okay, j means what here? See here, j means L plus s when more than half filled. Half filled. When j is equal to L minus s, at that time less than half filled. Less than half filled. Okay, this is less than half filled. Okay, this is half filled. When here pair electron is present, at that time you take the L plus L. That means more than half filled. Here all the electrons are singly filled. So you have to take here L minus S. Okay. Then twice S plus 1 means what? Twice S plus 1 means called spin multiplicity. Spin multiplicity. Okay. Then we know that L, this is again very much important. L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At that time, what is the values for X? S, P, D, F, G, H, I and K. Okay, J is not taken. S, P, D, F, G, H, I, K. This is very much important. Okay. Then what is the value? How you calculate the values of L minus S? Okay, L minus S. In previous, how you calculate the values of L? Here 3, here minus 3. That means 0. Okay, you have to write here 0. Okay, minus. What is the value of S? You find out the values of S here 5 by 2. Okay, so here again write down 5 by 2. Okay, that means what is the value here? Minus 5 by 2. Okay, then see here the value of L is 0. Okay, see here what is the value of L? 0. Okay, so you have to bracket that term and we get the value is here S. Okay, so what is the formula? Twice S plus 1 X L minus S. When the less than half filled is there, you have to take L minus S. But more than half filled is there, at that time you have to take L plus S. Okay, here less than half filled is there, so you have to take here L minus S. Okay, what is the value of twice S plus 1? Here the value is twice S plus 1, value is 6. And what is the value of X? The value of L is 0, so 0 is related to S. So you have to write here S. Your orbital is less than half filled, so here take any L minus S. L minus S is minus 5 by 2. This is the ground state term. This is ground state term for Fe3 plus. Okay, this is the ground state term for Fe3 plus. Have you seen this properly? This is 0. The value of L is 0, so we get here S. Then you have to find out the value of L minus S. You have to write here the value of L is 0 minus S 5 by 2. You get the answer is minus 5 by 2. You have to write here formula. What is the formula for to find out the ground state term? Twice S plus 1 X L minus S. You just put the values of twice S plus 1 X L minus S. When we take the L minus S, when the orbital is less than half filled, when orbital is more than half filled, at that time you have to write here L plus S. The first important, you know this term, then D series, then we calculate the ground state term for different ions. Thank you.